Hey guys, your Marty Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of the latest watch from Samsung, the Galaxy Watch Active. This one just came out today, which is March 8th, and it's available for only $200. Now, I decided to go ahead and pick this one up because the one that I've been using is this one's the Gear S2 Classic, which is like 4 years old already, and it's pretty cool, but I like the Galaxy watches so much that I decided to go ahead and buy the new one. Plus, it's cheap, $200 compared to the latest one that's around $350. I just got it today. This is the gray or silver version, which is available, I think, on Best Buy only. But there's 3 other colors available, and those you could get in on Amazon or any other store online, so I'm going to be leaving links in my descriptions as well. It's lightweight watch, advanced auto fitness tracking, it has HR heart rate, a monitor, and GPS, swim ready, water resistant, 50 meters. And over here, of course, it says has GPS. What else? 20 millimeter belt, or wrist strap. And that's it. Other than that, the box is really small. I was really surprised when I saw this. Because it came in a huge box, so I was expecting a bigger box than that, and it came out to be so little that I was so surprised. So here, let's go ahead, and we got the watch right there. There you go. And let's see if there's anything else. I think we have like an extra belt. There you go. Have an extra belt here, and this right here is the charging dock, right? Let me go ahead and take this out. So this is supposed to be a charging dock, and it's smaller than I thought as well. Wow, I thought it was going to be a lot bigger than that, and look how small it is. Damn. Wow, it is way smaller than the one for this watch. So I'm going to put that to the side, and it just includes one side of the belt only. So one is small and the other one is large. This one right here is large. I thought it would include both sides, but it only includes one side. Other than that, there's nothing more in the inside. No, there's nothing more in the inside. So let's go ahead right away here. So this is how it actually looks. Looks really nice. Not that big. Oh my god, look at that. Compared to the Gear S2, it looks pretty damn tiny. And over here in the back, you have that right there, which is the heart rate. There's no plastic whatsoever. I thought there would be a plastic there, but there isn't. And let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's go see if it actually turns on, if it has any power whatsoever. There you go. So it has the power right there. So it only has 2 buttons. That's it. It only has this button right here and that button right there. And of course, what's sad about this version of the Galaxy watches is that it doesn't have the rotating bezel like every other Galaxy watch. Which it's kind of sad, because I do like the bezels. This bezel works pretty damn awesome. You don't have to be touching the screen. That's really, really cool. And I also got very used to this. So now that this is going to be only touchscreen, it's going to be a little bit weird, but I'm going to go ahead and try it out. So it says Galaxy Watch Active. Let's go. So I'm going to have to go ahead right here. I'm just going to set it up over here with the phone. I have the Galaxy Wear. Oh, did it recognize the phone already? I think it did, right? Add a new device. Galaxy Watch. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Okay, tap to connect. Check your phone. Check your phone to set up. Okay, there you go. So it's setting up right there. I believe this one should be disconnecting yet. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one out, because now this one is disconnecting, and it's going to put this one on. It's going to put this. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to set it up with this on. There you go. So the belt is pretty nice. So this is how the belt goes. Look at that. Even though this is the small belt, it actually feels big enough for my wrist. Oh my, look at that. Okay, so of course, if you use this before, you know how it works. Over here you can see, explains you how to work with the screen, with the keys, getting the best heart results, notifications, and so on, so on. So, but we gotta wait for this to finish. So let's go ahead. Oh, look at that. Watch paired. Congrats on your new Galaxy Watch. Agree. Check out the following options: Bixby and other voice services, find my watch and find my phone, mapping technology by here, and yeah, so I gotta agree to all. Restore your watch from the backups. Okay, says you are all set. That was pretty damn fast. There you go. That was pretty damn fast. It says swipe over here to view about watch. Over here, I think you can actually see some of the information about the watch. It is 768 megabytes of RAM, 4 gigabytes of RAM storage, and right now it's at 63%. I believe that's this watch. And let's go back over here. It says let's swipe over here, swipe to left. There you go. Swipe right to see faces, I think. There you go. For notifications, swipe right. Yeah. And over here, this is the back key. And over here, this is the home key to view the apps that are installed. Oh, yeah. Let's go and zoom in here a little bit more. And of course, when you swipe down, you can see it's basically like the control center. It says touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. So you touch it right here and it should turn. What the hell? There you go. And you're all done. Enjoy your watch. Don't miss a thing. The orange dot means that there's a notification over here. You swipe like that and you can see your comments. Like right now, I'm getting a comment there from my Gmail. And I think I could swipe down. There you go. There you go. Not bad. So that's the face that it has right now. This right here, which tracks your minutes, hours, and calories. I think that's like the daily activity. That right there is not available on the Gear watch that I have. So that's new for me. Over here, I can add some more shortcuts. Running. You got the stress here. Heart rate. There you go. And you got your weather. Tap to allow permission. Go ahead and allow permission there. Okay, go ahead, allow access. Finding my location. I gotta say, I put this thing a little tight there. Add my location. I'm gonna have to add it. Okay, there you go. From the phone, El Paso, Texas. You got the weather there, which looks pretty damn cool. I like the screen. The screen looks really damn nice. The calendar, and you got widgets. So here in widgets, I can add a bunch of type of widgets, like for example the calendar if I want, which I always have it. And here I could go through the months like that and go like that. I can go ahead and see you got alarm, you got app shortcuts, contacts, you got music, you got the calorie count, challenges, exercise, floors. So it actually tracks your floors too. Food, health summary, leaderboard, you got multi-workout, sleep, steps, water. Let's go and add the water because I always like to add the water as one of my, okay, I already had 2 glasses today. Okay, what else? We got water, we got music, reminder. Let's go and add the music. I always add the music as well because when I'm playing podcasts on my phone, I can actually control it from over here. Let's see if it actually, it's not going to work now because I haven't started while I'm listening to anything. So that's how you got all the widgets on your phone, on your watch. You got Spotify right there. Okay. You got the weather, which I already added, world clock, and that's it. So, but as you keep on adding more applications from the store, then there's going to be more widgets available. If I tap and hold, we'll be able to change to different faces. So let's go and see all the faces available. You got that one available there. Ooh, that one looks really damn good. Man, this is too tight. Let's go and loosen this up. Okay, now it's a little bit looser. I was about to strangle my wrist. So we got that, which looks really damn nice. We got that one, which is the breathing. We got this one, the pie twirl, it's called. Wow, that looks cool. That looks really cool. You got with the date right there. Let's see the other one. This one. Nice. Not bad. When you tap on it, it doesn't do anything. That looks pretty damn cool. And I believe you can actually customize some of them as well. Those that says customize, that means you can actually change the colors of those faces or numbers and all that. Look at that. That looks really nice. I gotta say, the screen actually looks gorgeous because this is a Super AMOLED screen. The size of the screen is only 1.1 inches. The one that I was using was actually 1.2, so it's not that big of a difference, but when you have it on your wrist, it does make a difference. It does feel lighter, smaller, and of course, let's go ahead and see what else. You got My Day, you got Solar Bee. Okay, you got this one right here. This one looks pretty cool. Look at that. There you go. So automatically it's tracking my man, this is tight as hell. So there you have it. Look at that. That looks pretty damn good. That looks pretty damn good. And let's go ahead and see if there's more. There has to be more. Okay. There you go. We got that. We got that. Wow. Okay. There's a whole bunch more. You got that one right there. Looks nice. Not bad. So I'm going to have to play with these to see which one I like the most. So far, I'm liking this one. This one looks pretty cool because it shows you so much information there at once. That's pretty damn cool. But over here, if you press over here, it takes you to the app section. From here in the app section, you can see all the application already installed. But if you want to download more apps, all you got to do is go to the right there to the Galaxy Store, and there's a whole bunch of applications available. Of course, not all of them are like super great applications, but there is a huge amount of applications, like the ones that you really need, like the Uber application. There's also some gamings as well and calculators. So if you want to download like a calculator, just tap right there and click install, and it will automatically start installing right there. See right there, the percentage starts going up. Not bad. There you go. So once it finishes installing, there you go, it's installing right there. That looks pretty cool. We could go back over here because they'll actually keep installing in the background. There you go, calculator is installed. If you swipe down, you can see this menu right here, which from here you can actually control like the brightness of the watch. And you can swipe down again. This right here is the theater mode. Theater mode, you got do not disturb right there. And you got this one to mute the watch. That way it doesn't make any sounds. This one right here is like Bluetooth. It's scanning for Bluetooth headset. That's cool. Okay. So of course, remember, you can actually store music, and you can take your watch with just Bluetooth headphones and just listen to music from the music that you have stored on your watch. Okay, over here it says Samsung Pay. I haven't set that up yet, but there's a whole bunch of options here as well. Look at that. And over here, I think if I tap and hold over here, let's see, it goes to the power options. So you have touch sensitivity, you got power on and off. If I tap and hold over here, it goes to Samsung Pay. So now I would have to actually set this up so I can actually start paying with my watch. Keep in mind, this has Samsung Pay using NFC, just like Google Pay. And other than that, I gotta say the watch looks pretty damn good. I'm gonna have to change the freaking belt because this belt is it's tight over here. Like you see that the thing is actually scanning my heart rate. This is how you take the belt off, and just like that. Okay, I have the little button right there, and there you go, just like that. Just like that. So that's the cool thing about this, that you can actually change these belts with whatever 20mm belt that you want. Like for example, if I want to change, you know what, let's go and see how it looks with these belts. With a black belt, this is very easily taken out, and I could just take this out like that. There you go. So we got that side and the other side. It's going to take it off like that and put the other side right there. And there you have it. So this is how it looks with a black belt. Look at that. Not bad. Voila. So if you're planning on getting the silver one, I gotta say, with a black belt, actually looks pretty damn good. And the cool thing is, since I've been using this one, I already have a whole bunch of belts that I can actually try with my watch, and they all gonna fit. So you can see right there, it actually works pretty damn good. And I gotta say, I'm gonna have to keep using this watch. So far, supposedly the battery should last around 2 days. Normally I've been getting around 12 to 15 hours of battery life with this one right here, which is not that bad because it lasts me the whole day. And then when I get home, all I have to do is just put it on the charger, and then I'll be ready for the next day. But you know, so far it looks pretty cool. It runs really fast so far, but of course it's new and I barely used it, so I'm gonna have to actually, you know, start using it a lot more. And look at that. So that's the calculator that we just downloaded from the App Store from here. So guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna have to keep using this watch. That way I can actually get used to it. If you use Galaxy watches before, you're gonna be very familiarized with this as well. So, you know, all the things you could do on any other Galaxy watch, you will be able to do here. The only thing is that you're gonna be missing the rotating bezel. That's the only thing. And of course, it has a whole bunch of applications here, like the alarm, calendar, reminder, email, music, gallery. Almost forgot to show you guys how we actually charge. I already plugged this to the power, and all you gotta do is place your watch over it. It will automatically stick to it because of the magnets on the watch and on the thing right there, and it just starts charging. You could double tap right there or tap right there, and you can actually see the watch percentage going up 56%, and it goes back to the clock watch right there, which looks pretty damn good. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. This was my initial unboxing and impression of the Galaxy watch. The belts are small. The ones that are actually attached to it when you take it out of the bags are small, so you might want to change them to the large one, which for me is going to be way better. So I'm going to have to keep using this watch and try it out, and maybe later on within a week or so I'll try and upload my review video of the Galaxy watch. I'm going to have to set up Samsung Pay and keep using it just like I used to use my other watch, and then I'll share my opinion with you guys. Thanks for watching this video. This was a hands-on look of the Galaxy Watch Active Watch from Samsung, which is really nice, small and cute. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye bye.